Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi A1 Plus and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to this sounds and vibration. Just to change notifications, ringtones or alarms, we should use one from this section and select one from the available ringtones here. Just to change the ringtone media and alarm volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots. In sound assistant section, we can just adjust media sound in multiple apps and to use multiple audio sources. So just to turn on and turn off this option, let's go back. Here we can turn on and turn off the silent mode, then to silence media in silent mode. Also we can turn on and turn off this don't disturb mode. In additional settings, we'll see here the dial button, stop sounds, lock unlock sounds, screenshot and installing sounds, deletion, charging sound and start up sounds. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should click on each of the switchers. Let's go back just, and here we'll see the vibration section, so we can activate and turn off the vibration focus, vibration in silent mode, and to change vibration on top from light, medium to strong, or to turn it off. And in sounds effect, here we'll see the earphone control settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.